Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert EndNote in Microsoft Word document. So guys, we have this document and we need to insert EndNote. EndNote. So click on references and in this footnote section click on insert EndNote. You can use this shortcut Alt plus Control plus D. Add a note like a comment or citation providing more info about something in your document. Superscript numbers referring to endnotes are added to your text. So in any paragraph, or you can add some extra information for any word, like you want to add endnote in this page. So click on insert endnote. So write your endnote here. Similarly, you can insert more and more as you need. This is the second endnote. This is the third one. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you.